Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about a blog that is titled, Is My Home at Risk in Bankruptcy? This is an excellent blog, and of course, a lot of people worry about this. Am I going to lose my house if I file bankruptcy? And, in the vast majority, it is 99.999, your house is exempt. It's protected. And we have two different sets of exemptions we can use to protect your house. Minnesota exemptions protect a lot more equity than the federal exemptions. But either way, I don't think in my 27-year career so far that I have ever seen a situation where we could not exempt the equity in somebody's house. That's 27 years of doing this and thousands of cases. So the answer to this question, is my home at risk in bankruptcy, is almost always no. Now, when we talk about your house, we're talking about two things generally. One, we're talking about your relationship between you and the mortgage company. And between you and the mortgage company, if you want to keep your house, you got to continue to make payments on it. Now, there's a mechanism in a Chapter 13 to get you caught up on mortgage arrears. So we can do that, and we do it a lot. But between you and the mortgage company, there's got to be continuing payments being made, or they can collect their collateral, right? But as between you and the trustee, and the question of who owns the equity in this home, you've got $100,000 worth of equity in your house. The question is, do you own it, or does the bankruptcy estate own it? And in the vast majority of cases, you own it. You go to closing after you file bankruptcy, you sell the house. The check that is written out, which represents the equity in the home, goes to you when the time is right. When you are ready to get your life back with Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy team, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.